guys, I wanted to read a silly story today, and it is titled Monsters New Undies by Samantha Berger. Let's get started. Monsters New Undies. Of all the days I dread, not one can compare to the day that we shop for new underwear. I am just fine with no new undies at all, or the undies I have, though they are all a bit small. So what if they're old? So what if they're torn? Who cares? The elastic's completely outworn. Oh, dear. These are my undies, a sweet work of art. Snap! Uh-oh, my undies. They just fell apart. Do you have a small towel? Or maybe a leaf? I thought that no undies would be a relief. Turns out it feels just a little bit cold and a little exposed and a lot to behold. Okay, we'll go shopping for new underwear. But which ones we get? I really don't care. Leave it to my mom, 'cause only she'd find a whole store devoted to just the behind. Put down those undies, those aren't the ones. Those undies aren't worthy of dressing these buns. Welcome to Undie World. Oh my. Eek! No polka dots, no shooting stars, no checkerboards, no racing cars, no ice cream cones, no tiny whales, no rainbow hearts, and no sailboat sails. Those are too long. Those are too short. Those look like a diaper. Those look like a skirt. Those are too boxy. Oh, those are too tight. Those are too clingy. Those glow at night. Come on already. Can't you just see? There are no new undies. Just perfect for me. Please leave me here in my undieless slump. I guess there is nothing just right for this rump. Hang on a second. What's that on the rack? Behind all the rest, hung way in the back. They look just like mine, but will fit like a glove. The moment I saw them, oh, my tush fell in love. Gasp! Do you know what? These are the ones. It's like these new undies were made for my buns. I love my new undies with all of my heart. I'll wear them until they too fall apart. We'll take 7 pairs. No, make it 18. They're the most monstrous undies this bun's ever seen. And when brand new undies are made just for you, there's something important you really must do. undies pose, the new undies dance, the new undies walk, and the new undies stance. And scene. The end. So I hope you enjoyed that silly little story. I want to encourage you to think about something that you prefer. So what is something that you really prefer over something else? Or do you have to do something in a certain way? Do you prefer to do something differently than maybe your siblings? Just think about that. Remember, you're awesome, you're amazing, you rock, keep up the great work.